it's time to prepare iftar, and before I make anything, I'm actually making a dessert. These are my dessert bowls that I'm using. Obviously the cup I know, but it's because I don't have like proper shaped bowls. You know those bowls that are like a square shaped, kind of like this? That's what I want, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna just use these cups. Okay, I put some Biscoff, like biscuits, into a Ziploc bag. We're gonna crush these biscuits. Just give them a good crush. Once they're all crushed and it's literally unga unga, you're gonna layer your first layer of your dessert. So I'm just gonna show you crushed Biscoff. So I just put a little bit on each cup. Once you have your first base layer, I'm gonna add custard. This is just like ready-made custard. Then I'm gonna cut up some strawberries. I just cut them into like small little cubes like that and pop them into the bowl. You can be as generous as you like, depending on how much strawberries you have. The cup is like so wide and big. It looks like it's a little bit of dessert, but it's not a little, it's actually quite a lot. So I'm thinking of adding a little bit more crushed Biscoff at the top. Okay, I shall pop these into the fridge up until after iftar. They shall be nice and cold, ready to serve. So today's iftar menu, I'm making viaz vikarai. I literally just have a little bit left that I had pre-made already. Like I pre-boiled and put chili inside of it, and just kidogo is remaining, so I was like, let me just fry them today. Samosas, I make bhajia as well, like not the normal bhajia, the one you mix carrots, onions, potatoes. I'm gonna make that. If that's for the starters, I think it's too much. Maybe I should just make viazi and samosa. And then for the mains, it's rice. I saw this really nice garlic chili prawn mixture recipe on YouTube. I just have to recreate it. I also have leftovers in the fridge that has to be eaten, so I think it's enough food. You know, I've decided to make the bhajia. They're also known as like pakoras. You basically just need onions, carrot and potato, and you grate it all into one pot. Add spices and that's it, you're done. So I'm just going to take an empty bowl and my grater. I had a standing one, but I just cannot seem to find where it is. And you're going to use this side of the grater and just grate your potato, carrot and onion inside. I don't know if I'm doing very well with timing, but here we are. This is my little bhajia concoction. I grated 1 carrot, I think 3 potatoes, but they were like small ones. I sliced tiny little like sliced onions, coriander, whole chili. And now for spices. For spices, I'm just gonna put chili powder, put turmeric, a little bit as well, garam masala, plus salt. I always forget to put salt. And then I'm gonna add some gram flour and water. Add in some water and then just mix it all up. And we're now just gonna fry them. I just pick up like small bits like this and pop it into hot oil. And basically, guys, when you're done, this is how it's gonna look. I kind of like forgot mine in the hot oil, so some are a bit darker brown than it should. But iftar is served with samosa, fruit platter, bhajia to open the fast, some bananas. It was supposed to be like this stir-fry chili recipe, and I put too much chilies, and now it's like super spicy, but it tastes amazing. Good morning, everybody. We are back in London, back in a gloomy London because the weather is horrible. We're back into jumpers, but at least I'm repping Palestine, you know. I had the worst flying experience ever in my life. I've been telling everybody that I know, never fly with British Airways ever, okay? They have the worst customer service on this planet. The flight was booked through British Airways themselves. For my return, they put me onto Qatar Airways, and so with Qatar you have to fly Dubai to Doha and then Doha to London. Tell me why. I have reached at the airport 10 a.m. in the morning. and the Qatari girls at the counter say I don't have a flight, I don't have a ticket basically from Dubai to Doha. I'm like, what do you mean I don't have a ticket? My ticket is right here. I showed them my ticket. They're like, no, British Airways didn't put it into the system, your ticket from Dubai to Doha. There's only Doha to London, so you can't board this flight. They're like, oh, so you have to contact British Airways yourself and make them rectify it to put your ticket into the system. Tell me why. From 10 a.m. I am calling them with their Dubai number. Nobody's picking up for hours. I was on hold for hours. They were trying to reach them in London, like nobody picking up the call. Their AI chat thing online is so pathetic. Like their entire customer service is the most pathetic customer service I have ever experienced in my life. So yeah, I was stuck at the airport for hours on end. My flight is gone now, the flight that I was supposed to be on. And so I decided, you know what, let me go to Instagram. Yeah, I DM'd them on Instagram. I think they saw the number of followers that I have. They saw the blue tick and they were like, we need to take this girl seriously, who takes an hour for each reply. Each reply 1 hour. I kid you not, I have screenshots of everything. Finally decided, okay, they're gonna put me in another flight, and they gave me this ticket at 7. So from 10 a.m. in the morning, finally get my issue sorted at 7 p.m. I reached the airport at 11:20. You guys, I'm not even joking. Wallahi, my mom and my sister were on video call with me because I was like, I need human witnesses if this goes wrong. My heart was beating so fast. I was like, there's definitely something's gonna go wrong, right? I reached the counter and the guy goes like, I don't see your Doha to London flight. I'm like, ya Allah. First, there was no Dubai to Doha. Now you're telling me there's no Doha to London? My sister and mom on my video call, but I cut them because I was just like, that's it, I'm done. I'm so frustrated. Anyways, at least we're back in London now. I have gone on a very big rant on their compensation website thing, but we have quite a lot of PR that has come in for the week that I have been away. I'm just gonna share the stuff that I'm pretty excited about. My very first PR box from Rare Beauty. I think they've launched these new soft pinch luminous powder blushes. I bought this myself. Like I have one that I bought myself. I think it's in the shade Lucky or Joy or something like that. And then they've just sent me a whole bunch of them. I literally put the serum on today, this morning. I really love Caudalie as a brand. Okay, I'm excited to use this because I have this huge spot which has surfaced, and apparently like azelaic acid, mandelic acid, those are the stuff that help with getting rid of like hyperpigmentation and dark spots. From Paco Rabanne, the infamous 1 million fragrance from Paco Rabanne. This is the female version. It's the Perfume Intense Golden Oud. An Eid Mubarak from Paco Rabanne. How cute is that? Let's open this fragrance and smell it. Let's see how it smells like. This is a good oud. Very strong one as well. When I'm fasting, oud fragrances give me a headache because I don't know, my empty stomach or something, but this smells incredible. It has like Arabic writing on it. Gisou lip oils. Also my very first PR from Gisou. How cute are they? Cute. Oh, I love that sound. Oh my god, it literally smells like strawberries and it looks so good. I love the smell of this. Oh my god, this is going straight into my handbag. Lastly, we have this package which is literally in a basket. So cute. And it's also an Eid package from, I'm a sucker for handwritten notes. It is from Rituals, an Eid Mubarak package from Rituals. This massive diffuser in the scent Sweet Jasmine. I'm going to set this up for Eid tomorrow, inshallah. We have a home spray in the scent Wild Fig, a hand wash, hand cream, and a candle as well. Let's go out right now. I need to buy some stuff. A B&M. Remember, B&M opened near my home, so I can't wait. I need to buy some fitted sheets because I realized I only have 3, and then I came back yesterday, put a whole load of clothes in the washing plus my sheets and everything, and now I don't have fitted sheets. So I just need to buy like 1 or 2 fitted sheets, a few other stuff. Guys, the fact that I was literally wearing abayas just 24 hours before this, and now I'm wearing coats, it's not it. Like, no, I need to go back to where I belong. Guys, I misspoke. Eid is not tomorrow, it's day after tomorrow. So today is Monday and Eid will be on a Wednesday, and you all will be watching this on Sunday. I makeup less today because I need to let my skin breathe. I have like a whole bunch of acne coming out and pimples, so I said, you know what, today we just put skincare and we're at the door. I'm looking for like glasses to add into my home collection, but these are like too tall. I really like these, but I just wish they were like shorter. And I also don't know if they're dishwasher safe, are they? I don't buy anything that's not suitable for dishwasher anymore. What's the point, right? I'm looking for a fitted sheet area. All of my fitted sheets at home are white, by the way. I do not buy any other color other than white. It's just easier to wash, so the quality is so bad. Kind of like a useless little trip to B&M because one, I did not like the quality of their bedding. I don't know why I thought of coming here. I think I'm gonna go IKEA tomorrow. I need to buy a new duvet. I need to buy fitted sheets, like really nice quality ones. Anyways, iftar is soon, so let's head over. We're going for Somalian food, iftar. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you eat a whole sinia of rice. Like, look how it has been wiped. Alhamdulillah, the food was so good. I made it to IKEA. It's the next day. And I've already gone to work. I'm getting a new squidgy for my bathroom. Mine is like full of mold. I am ready to stock up for my kitchen today. I love a good IKEA shop. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are the glasses. Like, I was looking for glasses. Look. Already have a really cute one right here. Also, this type of glasses, they look really nice. I have this section, everything is £3 or less. I do need some bowls, like, you know, desserts and stuff. I actually like these glasses as well. I think I like these better than the other ones that I saw. Just gotta check if they are dishwasher safe. They sell these £2 per piece. We can finally look for another like saucepan. This looks like a good size just to make like curries and stuff, but is it induction safe is the right question. Knives. I think I'm gonna take a pack of these to cut steak and stuff like that. Is when I come to IKEA, I always have a list of specific things that I need, and I love it. I usually skip the entire showroom area because I don't need to see the showroom a million times, and I go straight into the lower ground floor to get my stuff, you know, and I just love that for myself. If you make like a lot of chilies and stuff at home, these are really good. I have this 3-pack and I use one for like ukwaju, one for chilies and chutneys. The duvet, fitted sheets and pillowcase section. Go to the other side. I love IKEA quality of like duvets and stuff, you know. Okay, here we are finally. Double fitted sheets. Perfect. Just what I need. How stunning is this new mirror? It is so pretty and it's actually really long for the price. 129 for this 168 centimeter height mirror. They have a shorter version as well, but this one is really cute. I remember ever since I've known IKEA, I've always wanted this hobbit mirror. It's the largest mirror that IKEA have, and it is 196 centimeters height for just £100. That is a good price for a mirror. I would take this one actually, and then spray paint the sides of it gold instead of silver. Guys, I'm back home and a very quick IKEA haul. I got the infamous IKEA dime cake. They sell them in the freezer section now. I cannot wait for iftar because I am going to devour into this. Let's open it and see how it is inside, because I'm hoping it's not just like one piece and it's a whole round cake. Because we were fasting, we couldn't have it. Yeah, yo, I can't wait. It smells so good. I also got new drinking glasses. I just fell in love with the shape of these. I got 8 of them. I got another pack of bowls. I got the most random clock for the top of my TV. I got a potato masher. I got also another cup. My mugs are really big. I never finish my chai, so I thought, you know what, I'd get the smaller ones. A pack of spoons. Can never have enough spoons. I got a pot for curries and stuff. I really desperately needed another pot. 2 packs of these fitted sheets and another mat for the bathtub. I love IKEA bath mats. They're very soft on the feet and like they dry really well. I'm gonna prep some chicken. I'm making chicken pies for tomorrow tomorrow for Eid. Inshallah, I'm gonna go to my cousin's house for breakfast after Eid prayer, and I also have to prepare for Eid, you know, like get my dress out, clean up the house and apartment because it's a mess. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog everything, but that's the plan for the rest of the day. The best thing about like getting into summer is that the day, mashallah, is so long. I prayed dhuhr, I left, I went all around IKEA, took my sweet time, came back, and it's Asr now. That's the beauty about summer. Good morning, guys. Eid Mubarak to all of you, inshallah. I was supposed to do like a get ready with me in the morning, but time, you know, Eid, you guys know how it is in Eid, right? So currently in the Uber on the way to the masjid, we're gonna pray and then head to my cousin's for breakfast. So it's all Eid vibes. The weather today is incredibly good. It looks good, but I feel like the degrees are not good. Look at the sky, clear blue skies, but the temperature is quite low.
It distracts me more than anyone.
How are you? Nothing says Eid like a nice Eid Mubarak cake. Like they look so beautiful that you don't even want to eat them. So I'm just gonna set the table as we wait for everybody to arrive. I think here we have some ma'moul, fresh ma'moul, guys, not the ones like I bought from Dubai, from the supermarket. Table has been set. We have the beautiful cakes over here. Then we have ma'moul, basbousa, shakshuka. Y'all, look at that shakshuka. Like, it looks so delicious. Then we have a platter of like pancakes, fruits, sambusa. There's also chapati that's coming on the table. There's chicken pies. There is keema. There's so much, mashallah. Alhamdulillah, first breakfast after Eid. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. I need to show you all my outfit. This is the outfit I am wearing. I got it from Saudi. I love the detailing on the side. Like it has these strings that it just like cinches your waist. Super cute.